Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I am going to create this makeup look. It's very easy, it's full coverage, and I've got a red lip going on and obviously very natural smoky eyes. In this video, I will also be reviewing 4 Bélora Paris products. I have definitely used these products in this look, and I'm so thankful to Bélora Paris for sponsoring this video and sending me these 4 products. Few of the products in this box are bomb, and I use these to create this look. I will also be reviewing all the 4 products in today's video, so without any further chatting, let's get started. The first product that I have with me is the Bélora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer with Nano Gold and AHA. It comes in this deep blue, almost black colored tube, and you get 30 grams of product for rupees 7.99. Now this is a multi-purpose product. It's a moisturizer that can be used with or without makeup. It's a really good moisturizer for a natural makeup look where you don't want to apply any product to your face, and just apply this on the high points of your face. Just dab it on the high points of your face and it will give you that glow. Not the chunky glittery kind of glow. It will give you more of a dolphin skin or glass skin, if I may, type of glow. What I do love about this moisturizer is that it's very lightweight. It feels very nourishing and luxurious on the skin. Now this has got some really good ingredients. It's got shea butter and then sweet almond seed oil. The second ingredient is shea butter, which is a really good occlusive. For AHAs, this has got lactic acid, malic acid, gluconic acid, ascorbic acid, glycolic acid. So the complete ingredients list is given on the back of the box in which you get this tube. I just love the consistency of this product. It is white in color, but you can see a little bit of pink once you start blending it in. I love how it spreads and it gets absorbed into the skin really quickly, so you don't have to wait for a long time. In case you're allergic to fragrance, I have to tell you that this has got a faint fragrance. Although the AHAs are not present in a very high concentration, but still there are a lot of AHAs in this product, so in case you are wearing it during the daytime and you have to go out in the sun, please wear a broad spectrum SPF. If we consider skin types, it's a good product for dry skin, combination skin, even oily skin, because it gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. If you have sensitive skin, a patch test is really necessary. The glow that this moisturizer gives has got a slight pink hue to it, although it's not visible from far away, but once I zoom you guys in, you will be able to see that it looks kind of pink. It's not very pink, not something that's distracting or anything like that. Next up, I have their primer. This is the Bélora Paris Primer Naturelle. This is a hydrating primer. You get 30 grams of product for rupees 6.99. It comes in this light salmon kind of packaging. This has also got a golden cap. It comes in this tube. The consistency is like a gel and it's also milky, but once you blend it in, this product is so watery, it's so light, and I feel that this is a primer that will work on all skin types. Again, this has got a very peculiar kind of fragrance in case you have sensitive skin. This is a hydrating, lightweight, natural primer that can be used to get a smooth base for your makeup. It actually makes the skin very smooth. It disappears right after application. I loved the formula. It has got aloe vera juice and hyaluronic acid. It's a good primer for all skin types, but a really good primer for oily and combination skin, as it blends really well and gets absorbed very quickly. This has got no tint, no pearly particles. It's a very clear form of primer that will give you a smooth makeup base. This has aqua, aloe vera leaf juice and hyaluronic acid as the top 3 ingredients. So I have both base products on my face right now, and you can see this has given me such a nice and glowy makeup base, and my base doesn't feel too tacky. It's tacky enough to, grab the foundation and make it long lasting, but it's not too tacky. Next, I'm using a little bit of concealer under my eyes to brighten them. After which I am going to apply the foundation using a makeup sponge. Then I'm doing a little bit of cream contouring. Setting my under eyes with a loose powder. I am using a concealer for my eyeshadow base. Alright, so I did my base and I did my eyes, and you can see I mainly used a Kohl pencil. I created this look using the Bélora Paris Kohl Kiss Intense Kajal plus Eyeliner. It's a 2-in-1 product, Kajal plus eyeliner. It's very buttery and hydrating. It will not dry out your eyes. It's extremely pigmented. It has got 1-stroke pigmentation. It's so black. Since this one glides like butter, you have to be a little bit careful while using this product. So this comes in a pencil kind of packaging, which is non-retractable. You have to sharpen it. You get 1.2 grams of product for rupees 5.99. I am going to show you how I did the eye makeup. I'm starting off with lining my eyes using the kajal. This is a 4-in-1 product that acts as a kajal, eyeliner, hydrates eyes and nourishes them. The finish is not 100% matte, but it's not too shiny. It is waterproof, but it's not transfer proof or smudge proof. After applying the kajal, I will be giving it the shape I want with an angled brush. It moves very easily, but it does set after a few minutes of application, so you need to work faster. Next, I'm using a warm brown eyeshadow to define my crease, after which I am going to powder contour. Then I'm using a little bit of peachy pink blush. And I'm finishing off my base with a liquid highlighter. For the final product, I have this red lipstick, this beautiful red lipstick that has intense pigmentation and it's so comfortable on the lips. It's the Bélora Paris Leave No Evidence liquid lipstick in the shade Ruby Crush. It has got a transparent packaging through which you can clearly see the color. The shade name is given at the bottom of the lipstick. It has a golden cap and you get 4.5 ml of product for rupees 5.99. As you can see, this is a gorgeous and bright ruby red. It's very lightweight, settles into a powder matte finish. It's transfer proof and offers 1-stroke pigmentation. It's also very comfortable on the lips as this has got shea butter, jojoba oil and vitamin E in its formulation. It has got a little bit of that typical vanilla scent that you get in lipsticks. Now the doe foot applicator is really good. I have already tried all of these products that I reviewed in today's video. So I'm going to show you how you can apply this lipstick. First, if you have any lip balm like I have, just wipe all of it out. Wiping away the lip balm is very important because you don't want to mix 2 types of formulas. This has got a powder matte finish and a lip balm definitely has a very shiny kind of finish, so you don't want to mix these. And then you just take your doe foot applicator, just get rid of the excessive product. Start from the center of your lips. If you want, you can also smudge this out, but I'm gonna go in with a full layer just to show you guys how pigmented this really is. Make sure that you have the least product on the wand when you proceed to the corner of your lips. Now this is a perfect neutral red that I feel will work on a lot of different skin tones. Also, you can see my teeth looks so white in this color. You have to let it dry for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then only you can press your lips together. It will give you a non-tacky finish and it will become completely powder matte. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It looks like French makeup to me. Now here I'd like to mention that all of the Bélora Paris products are vegan and cruelty free. They also have honest labeling, which means you will find all the ingredients used in a product on the packaging. They're not trying to hide any ingredients from their customers. Now let's get to the individual products and my favorite products. My favorite product has to be their liquid lipstick. It's so comfortable and it's going so strong, you guys. It's not settling in my fine lines even after being 100% powder matte and transfer proof. You can see there is no transfer at all. My second favorite product has to be their primer Naturelle. This primer will work on all skin types. I love the consistency of this product. I love how watery it feels on your skin. And I am going to give you a close-up of my face to show you how my makeup base looks on top of this primer. I also like their Illuminating Moisturizer. I'd say that this is a product that's really good for doing a natural makeup look. You can also mix it with your foundation, which is another great thing. The final product is their Kohl pencil. This product is waterproof, but it's not smudge proof and it's not transfer proof. It did transfer into my crease because I have partially hooded eyes. It's very comfortable, non-drying, it's easy to get it off. Here I'd also like to add that you have to perform a patch test before trying any of these products. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you find it helpful. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.